Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Mepgcl Power Generation Corporation Limited hak lai tu ukla lingkod arajar apun rio kalumi ki Paidbah no shoshnong hak time bernihat ban pinsungu tho yaki Paidbah bakin long ki Phikir bhai ladi bat ruban sumar yak Umtru hydroelectric power station kebolong ka shlam permi boarding electric kebajusam yak boarding jikishnong ki badan hak time bernihat Hagar program Nongjngohkai leishim bentar Menteri Ketenaga Boarding ke Sarkar Jilla uba min paling do ublalong kumukongsan ringkat ke jenan lang Menteri ke Sarkar Jilla uba sosten sotun ublalong kumusembur kongsan ke officer Thebri Boy bat Ketenaga Mepgcl Power Generation Corporation Limited Hagar ni kesengi kena school klub long ru ek jingai kejat dak barra ki plakat ringkat ke jing tho ke kerpa ban sumar khoi ya kadam
Aku alik dia. Come.
A concrete dam in the hell is a critical safety which is organized by Mepgcl Power Generation Corporation Limited under the initiative of the CPMU. These programs focus on educating downstream residents about the risks associated with dam operations and the proactive measures required for risk mitigation. The number of India's dams are aging, making them more vulnerable, while factors like climate change and structural deficiencies heighten the risk. India has itself witnessed dam break disasters in the past, resulting in substantial loss of life and property. That is why this awareness program today is being organized. The safety of dams in Mepgcl is the principal concern of the dams owners in the state, like the Mepgcl, PHC, the Mepgcl, and others as well. It is of utmost priority of the dam owner to prevent dam failure and its associated risk by strengthening institutional framework for operation and maintenance and educating the public about emergency preparedness and responses to such disastrous events. Regarding structural integrity and hydrology, downstream communities often suffer from critical awareness gaps. The public often view dams as safe areas for recreation like swimming, boating, fishing, and others, and do not fully understand the dangers posed by swift, turbulent currents near intakes and spillways, and sudden changes in water levels or submerged structures. And also, individuals living downstream may not know if a warning system like sirens, strobes, public announcement exists. How to recognize the signals or the correct actions to take in the event of an emergency. The primary goal of the training is to improve technical skills and expertise among dam safety professionals and also to ensure public safety by informing and educating the community and especially public who are residing in the downstream of the dams.
Safety awareness program, it's something that concerns with the lives of the people. So I would like to thank the Mepgcl for organizing this program, because I myself, as the local representative, I'll be together happy that our people who are residing downstream, they should be taken in confidence. Whatever rules is applicable or any of these steps that has been taken with related to the safety of the dam. As mentioned by the CMD, any of the release of the water, especially in the rainy season, and if in case, God forbid, if in case any of the damage, so people, along with the information with all the headmen and the people who are residing downstream. So such programs, it will help the people know in advance what to do, how to do regarding the safety of the lives of the people who are residing downstream.